أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وبه نستعين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا ونبينا بالقاسم محمد وعلى عترة الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Continuing with our talks on looking at the different lessons from the hadith that likens the benefit of the Imam in Ghaiba to the benefit of the sun when it is behind the clouds. Today I would like to look at how the sun benefits even behind the clouds by giving us light to see what needs to be cleaned and purified. The rays of the sun enter the house dependent on the number of windows available and whether the windows are clean, the curtains are drawn, or the windows are boarded up. When the light of the sun enters the house, the dust present in the house can now be seen and then can be cleaned. Similarly, this is the case with the light of the Imam's guidance. It is through the light of his guidance we can see our faults and correct them. The first step in bettering ourselves is to know what needs to be bettered. The Imam is the light of guidance. True guidance is through the Hujjah, as he is the bridge between us and Allah. If we look at a plant which is not near a clean open window, so the sunlight is blocked from reaching the plant, that plant will be small and weak and withered and shriveled and may even eventually die. Now compare this to a plant which is by a clean open window. So there are no blocks, total access to sunlight. This plant will grow strong and produce flowers and fruits. In the same way, if we are blocked from the Imam, if the windows of the soul are darkened by sin, then we will also be small and weak and withered and may even die, not physically, but spiritually. But if we were able to remove the blocks, the barriers, then we would grow and be strong and move towards our potential, our perfection, and gain paradise. The 3 P's: potential, perfection, paradise. So practically, how do I achieve this? Well, firstly, I need to remove these blocks and these barriers between my soul and Imam. These are the sins that I have committed, the disobedience to Allah, which I have to do istighfar for. Ask for forgiveness sincerely. I can only ask for forgiveness sincerely if I have self-reflected on the sins that I have committed. My sincerity is also shown in not just asking for forgiveness, but also trying to put right the wrong I have done. For example, paying back the qadha, giving back the haqq, correcting the mistake, the sin. And the final step of this istighfar is not to allow the blocks and barriers to come back. I do this by ensuring that I have put in place an action plan which will stop me from recommitting that specific sin. We pray to Allah that inshallah each one of us gets to play our individual part in his reappearance. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.